In this video, I'll show you how to reset your laptop to make it like new again. First, click on the Start menu, then open Setting. On the left side, click System, then scroll down and select Recovery. Next to Reset this PC, click Reset PC. Now you'll see two options. Keep My Files. This keeps your personal files like photos and documents, but removes apps and settings. Remove Everything. This deletes all your data, apps, and files for a full reset. Choose the option you prefer. Next, select how you want to reinstall Windows. Local reinstall, faster. Cloud download, downloads a fresh copy from the internet. You can also click Change Settings for more options. Click Next and wait while Windows prepares the reset. You can also click View Apps that will be removed to see what will be deleted. Once you're ready, click Reset to start the process. That's it. Your laptop will reset and return to its original, like-new state. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and press the bell icon for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.